Welcome to the channel House of Simple Art. Today, I will show you how to draw a cute ginger cat. To begin with, let's draw the outline and body parts with a pencil. If you got not even, you can always erase and draw beautifully. Then we draw with a black pencil pen. Color in the ears with a pink marker. And with an orange marker, draw a red coat of our cat. The tip of the tail will be skipped, so the cat will become even more cute. Use a blue marker to color in the cat's eyes. Draw the outline of the ears with a red marker. That's it. Our cute ginger cat is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.